These are the notes on naming things like points, lines, angles, triangles, things like that. The first one we're going to talk about is a point. A point is pictured by a dot. It is named with a capital letter. This is point A. When you write the name of this, you would just say A. If you see a capital letter just all by itself in math, the math community, that means a point. Okay, this is a line segment. A line segment is a straight path between 2 points. This is line segment CD or DC. And a line segment will have a point on each end, meaning that it starts at C and ends at D, or starts at D and ends at C, but it does not go past that. So when you write this, you would write that as CD with a line segment above it, just a straight line, or DC. You can write it in either order, it doesn't matter. This is the same thing, but you use this symbol, this straight line above it. A line is a straight path that goes on forever in both directions. So this is line DE or ED. So this has points on it. Point D and point E are on this line, but they're very small here, but they have arrows on both sides, meaning that it goes in both directions forever and ever. So how to write this in symbols is DE with a line above it with arrows in both directions, or ED, again with a line above it with arrows in both directions. So if you see this symbol, you know it's a line and not a line segment. This is a ray. A ray is a straight path that goes on forever in one direction. This is ray FG. This is not, I repeat, not ray GF. When you name a ray, this is the starting point, the vertex, and then you have to go in that direction. So since this is the point and this is the arrow, it has to be F going in the direction of G, and the way we write that with a symbol is with a ray above it. Okay, the point has to be the first letter, the arrow has to be the second letter. This cannot be written GF. If you wrote this as ray GF, it would be counted wrong. Very similar type of naming with angles. This is an angle. An angle is the amount of turn between two rays that have a common endpoint, the vertex. This angle is angle ABC or angle CBA or angle 1, and it has a vertex B. The vertex is the corner here, so this is B, the vertex. This is ray BA. This is ray BC. When you name this angle, B has to be in the middle of the name. So angle, that's the math symbol for angle. Angle ABC would be acceptable, and angle CBA would be acceptable. And these are acceptable because the vertex B is in the middle. BAC is not an acceptable name because A is not the vertex. Okay, so it has to be angle ABC, angle CBA, or because there's this 1 in the middle here, we can also name this angle 1. Okay, so there's 3 correct ways to name this angle. Any other way that you named this would be wrong. These are the only 3 acceptable ways. Alright, this is a triangle. A triangle is a 3-sided shape made up of 3 line segments and 3 angles. This triangle is triangle ABC, triangle ACB, triangle BAC, triangle BCA, triangle CBA, or triangle CAB. All 6 of those are acceptable names for this triangle. Okay, the symbols that you use when you name a triangle is a triangle. So triangle ABC or triangle ACB or triangle BAC. Okay. and on and on and on. But when you name a triangle, you use the symbol that looks like a triangle. When you name an angle, you use the symbol that looks like an angle. When you name a ray, you use the symbol that looks like a ray. When you name a line, you use the symbol that looks like a line. When you name a line segment, the symbol looks like a line segment. Okay, which makes a lot of sense.